So today I'm going to show you how to do a sparkly pink eyeshadow look, and I already started off by doing my face makeup, but if you want to know how more to do that, you can check out my recent video, which I'll link down in the description. And let's just get right into this eyeshadow. So I started with putting the concealer on my eyelids for just a primer, and the shade I will be starting with is from the Sweet Peach palette, and it's called Georgia, and it looks like this one right here. So I'm gonna get my flat eyeshadow brush and just take some of it like that and just put it all over your eyelid just for a transition shade, just like that. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did with this eye, and first I did with this eye, which I got some tape, started at the end of my eyebrow down to the lower lash line area. And the first color I used by the Violet Voss Flamingo palette was called Flamingos, which is this color right here. So I'm gonna get the exact same color and just windshield wiper motion just like this on the upper crease. You see like that? Yeah. And just get some more for more pigment like that. Yeah. So after that, I'm gonna get the shade Watermelon, which is in this part right here, to darken the crease, and then put it just in the corner area right here, and then blend it together like this. And after that, I'm gonna get the shade called Donut with my flat eyeshadow brush, which is this shade in my inner corner right there. So the color looks like this. Put it just like here. And then get more for more pigment if you want. And then after that, all I did was just take the tape off, and then I'm gonna get a winged eyeshadow brush here and just put it under my eye like this. And the shade I used for that was the Watermelon shade that looks like this. So it was the darker shade. Put some like that on the brush, and then just line it under your eye. Just like this. Just like that, and then that's pretty. Okay, so I'm back. So all I did was put on the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and then I just put some metallic lipstick by Revlon, and the shade is called Flare. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye guys.